Hi guys, I want to talk to you about being kind to one another. You ever notice today you walk down the street, you tip your hat, you wave at someone, you say hello, and or you just nod your head at them and they ignore you. You know, I get it. Some people their head is in the clouds or in their phone, more likely. But when you offer a friendly gesture, what is the harm of waving back or saying hello, good day? Tip your hat, whatever. You can't do that. I don't get it. People are just so unfriendly out there. I was in the grocery store the other day and I get up to the line in the checker. Usually they greet you, hello, how's your day? I know they say it over and over 50 times, but it's their job. I was in retail. I managed a Radio Shack. I treated every person like they were my first and only customer of the day. And I go in, I say, hello, how are you today? Mm-hmm. How's your day going? It's going. I mean, why not offer a smile? You don't know what you're going to do, how you're going to change somebody for that day that might be having a bad day. And listen, for us Christians, it's even more so. Jesus commanded us to treat others the way that we would want to be treated? Yeah. In Matthew 7:12. You might remember this is the golden rule. And Jesus said, this is the law. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. All throughout the Bible, we see things about loving one another. In the fruit of the Spirit in Ephesians chapter 5, it says, be good to one another. Peter said, to treat everybody with godliness and brotherly kindness. And you know what? The Old Testament, the same thing. In Leviticus, in Levitical law, I believe it's chapter 19, verses 17 and 18, somewhere in there. You can look it up. It talks about loving one another. And this is when Moses is laying down the laws. Don't hate each other. Love each other. We're people. We're all skirting around on this rock we call Earth, trying to do the best we can to just live. So can you be nice? If you see someone walking down the street towards you, can you extend a courtesy yourself? Hey, how are you? How's your day going? Or if they talk to you, can you go, I'm doing great. How's your day going? You have a great day, sir, ma'am. I don't see how difficult that is. In Ephesians, I love that book. These guys are messing up. I love Ephesians. I do. So in Ephesians chapter 4, verse 32, it actually says, be kind to one another. Be kind to one another. Can we do that? Can we be kind to one another? So the next time you're walking down the street towards someone, can you do me a favor? Do yourself a favor and just smile and say hi. It won't hurt you. I'm an introvert. So what? Say hi. I don't know what to say. Say hi. It's 2 letters. H-I. Hi. If you're Spanish, it's 4. Hola. I think. Spanish. I know some Spanish. Taco, burrito, enchilada. Never mind. So, listen. Just be kind. If someone tips their hat to you, say hello back. Good day. Yeah, we don't live in the Old West, but you can get, how's it going? How you doing? Just be nice. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you who I am. This is Kevin with Let's Talk KJB Radio. God bless you guys. God bless you. Have a great day. Good day.